Okay, so we need to solve for m. So this particular equation does look a little bit tricky because it's got some decimal numbers in it, but we go about it in exactly the same way as any other similar kind of problem. So we look for our constants, right? We look for the constant which has the lowest value, and we cancel it out. So in this case, it's between plus 1 and minus 42. So minus 42 for sure is the constant of the lowest value. So we cancel it out by doing the opposite of minus 42, which is plus 42. We must do the same to both sides, so I add 42 over here, and then we see where we're at. So let's tidy up the equation right now. What are we left with? So 12.6, we haven't touched that yet. 12.6m plus, what's that, 43, right? And then on the right hand side we've got 17.6m, again that hasn't been touched yet. And that is all that's left, because minus 42 plus 42, that gives us 0. What we're looking at now is 12.6m plus 43 equals 17.6m. So we need to now, and we've also got one constant on one side, which is really what we want. We need a value on one side only, a constant value. So we look for the lowest value term with a coefficient and a variable, and that's over here. So it's 12.6 is less than 17.6, so let's cancel that out by subtracting 12.6m, and we do the same to this side. So we're going to subtract 12.6m. What happens next? That's cancelled out. 43 still is on the left, and on the right hand side we're left with 17.6m minus 12.6m. That leaves us, of course, with 5m. Next, we divide by 5 on both sides, because this 5m says 5 times m, right? So we want to cancel out multiplying by 5, so we do the reciprocal, or the opposite of multiplying by 5, by dividing by 5, and we must do it to both sides. So that cancels out the 5's, and that leaves us on the right hand side with m. 43 divided by 5, let's use our calculators. 43 divided by 5 equals 8.6. So 8.6 should be the answer for this side here, 8.6, and that should be the value of m. We need to check it, we should check it. So I'm going to substitute 8.6 for m in the original equation. So 12.6, right, times m, which is 8.6. And then we're going to, let's do that. So 12.6, use our calculator, 12.6 times 8.6, what does that equal? Okay, so that's 108.36, and then we're going to add the 1 that's here, so we add that 1, and so that equals 109.36. So the left hand side is worth 109.36. The right hand side needs to equal the same value. So let's do that. So it's 17.6 times 8.6. So let's do that. 17.6, right, times 8.6. That's 151.36. And then we minus 42. Right, so let's do that. So we're going to minus 42. And when I push equals, it should equal 109.36. 109.36. It's the same, right? What that means is the right hand side equals 109.36. The left hand side equals 109.36. So both sides are equal. So this means that 8.6 is the correct value for m.